Another week, another video. Welcome back here on my channel. Welcome in my little diecast room here in Bavaria in southern Germany. As always, take a look in the description down below. You'll find a list of all of these cars, and here are skip marks in this video. So if you want to jump to a certain car, feel free to do that. Otherwise, stay tuned as we start with this guy right here. So take a look at this one. This is the Matchbox Super Chase, and I'm really happy that I found this one. Not just because it's the Super Chase. I mean, I'm a huge Bronco fan of this new Bronco. I got all of the Hot Wheels mainlines version and the other two Matchbox versions. So the first one I think was the this red one here. So Matchbox, Matchbox is doing the 4-door version, and they're doing a really good job on these. And then we had this blue one here, as you can see, and Hot Wheels has the 2-door version. So here the Super Chase with this really cool livery in red, white and blue with all these letterings on it. Super fast Bronco, rubber tires, blue tinted windows. So this is the only car in this video that will stay in its packaging, and I hope you understand that. So let's put this guy to the side, and also these two, and let's go on with this guy here. So I think this is from the E-Case or Mix 5 of 2022, the 1966 Dodge Charger, and this is a new casting for this year. So let's open it up. A really cool orange livery and some nice details on the back. If you take a close look at this, whatever you call that light bar, says a Charger. Very nice details, and also cool, it comes with a chrome base, and so it has a chrome front or a chrome grille. It does look very cool. I mean, imagine this guy here with a gray plastic base and a plastic front. I would say this wouldn't look half as good as this version. And I think it also says Dodge on the front of the hood. It's very hard to see. Yeah, very nice model. Into the parking lot, then oops. A little crash, but we go on sorry, with this one here, Tesla Roadster, now in this kind of gunmetal gray. So this is the second version of the Tesla Roadster from Matchbox. The first one was this guy here, and this fantastic red, whatever you call it, satin red. Just a fantastic version. My favorite Matchbox model from last year, I would say. Really cool. And now we got it in this glossy metallic livery with the 5 spokes. Also very cool. Look at those headlight details. Looking very crisp. Looks very good in my opinion. License plate, once again with 0 emission. Yeah, also really nice. By the way, this is the Hot Wheels version. I think it's not bad. Don't really like the rims. And as many other guys complained about the front or the nose, this part here. I think they've done it. So it performs better if you send it down a racetrack. Anyway, also very nice. I think this year is a very cool year for Matchbox. Very nice models. But as I mentioned often before, for me in my area, it's very, very hard to get my hands on Matchbox Single Packs. So we've got a kind of a wild mix. I'm not really sure if this is from the E-Case. I have no idea. I guess, but it's from this year. That's something I can tell you, and I'm sure of. So, a non-licensed model, the Matchbox Field Car, but in my recent videos I told you I'm getting more and more into these unlicensed models because some of them do look really, really good, and so does this one. I mean, I'm not really sure. I would say it reminds me a little bit of a Lada. Anyway, look at this fantastic blue livery. And this bumper that comes with a winch. What does it say here on the side? Okay, I really can't read it. And it comes with a trailer hitch and a spare tire. So a really, and a sunroof. A very nice unlicensed model. So then I would say let's go on. Oh no, where is the, okay. This one is falling down. So, sorry for the short break, but this is real-time unboxing. So, I was looking for this guy here. I think this is from last year. I'm not really 100% sure. The Matchbox Trawler, and this one, as you can see, is in National Parks deco. I don't know. Is that always happening only to me, that the cardboard is so tough and staying on the packaging? Anyway, so here it is, National Parks deco, really nice. Look at those details, also on National Parks license plate. And you can see there is a shovel molded into the trailer. Also on this side. And here we have a boat on top, I guess. And you can remove it. Really nice. So we can try to attach the trailer to the field car. Yeah. I mean, the colors aren't really matching. Anyways, it does work, and that is very cool. So, yeah, let's go on with this one. I think this is also not so new. Anyway, I take what I get at the moment. The Skidster, another unlicensed model. Really cute. The shovel is moving. And a very cool green livery. Very cool guy. Into the parking lot. Oh, crash. So what else do we got? Got this one here. The International eStar. Once again. So we've seen this one here multiple times. Now in this deco, worn parts delivery, I have no idea if that is a real existing company. Here on top it says Matchbox, so I guess it's more like a fantasy livery, but I'm not 100% sure. So for sure this upper part is made out of plastic, and we got a gray metal base. And yeah, I have to say I really like this casting. Nice model. So what else do we got? The 2003 Nissan 350Z. I think I have to do a crash course on opening these packages. So yeah, kind of a wild livery on this guy here. That has no details on the front. Yeah, not a huge fan of that. Nothing on the back. We got these, yeah, I don't know what that is. It's not flames. It looks a little bit like from Jurassic Park or something. No idea what does that what that's meant to be, but it looks good in my opinion. This Matchbox logo on the side, Matchbox Japan it says. Falcon lettering here on the door. Yeah, nice. And into parking position as we go on with this one. 2019 Mazda 3 in red. Yeah, some nice details on the back and some really cool headlights. Nice grille and logo. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this color. I mean, it does look good, but yeah. I think there would be better colors for this car. And we go on with this guy here, 2018 Dodge Charger. Comes in this nice purple. So put the camera back a little like this. Also a nice plain version with nice details on the front, crisp headlights and fog lights. And also on the back, done very nicely in my opinion, this light bar with the Dodge lettering and a license plate that's saying plain crazy. Yeah. What's above I can't read. Anyways, also very nice. As we go on with the 1962 Plymouth Savoy. I think the first version was in black. Didn't get that. This one's also very nice. Once again, chrome base, chrome front, and yeah, that is in my opinion what does look make many cars, many Matchbox cars look very good. And on the back, also very cool. We get the taillights, a Savoy license plate, and this chrome bumper looks very good. Once again, front also Got some details here on the side. Yeah, nice. And then we got this one, 1964 Austin Mini Cooper in pink. With kind of racing stripes here on the hood, a right-hand drive version. So this one has a white base, and I think in this case it's okay. It matches the color or the livery of the car. Some nice headlights. Get a gray interior. And look at these wheels with the white details, also very nice. Nothing on the back, no license plate, just the white bumper. But this one is also very cool. Now the Toyota Hilux 2018 version. I think the first version was in red, if I remember it correctly. Now in this green, I don't know. I think we've seen the Subaru Forester in this kind of green. Nice details on the front. Nice details on the back. Yeah, I think Matchbox this year is really doing a good job, and that is why I'm so upset that it's so hard to get these cars this year. I'm still missing some cool cars like the Volkswagen GTI, and there are a lot of other cars that I still don't have, and I hope I will get them this year anyway. So let's finish up this video with this guy here, Bentley Bentayga. Also, the first version I think was in blue. Also didn't get it. Now, let's take a look at this one. So this is the front. Comes with a Bentley license plate, grille logo, headlights. Yeah, I think they could be done better in my opinion. Not as crisp as we've seen the headlights on some of these other cars in this video. This is the back. I think this looks good. Comes with a gray plastic base, and as you can see, this one has no interior. But I think it's still a cool casting. Yeah. And with that, let's put this one back into the middle of the picture as we finish this video with the Bentley Bentayga. So that's it for this week. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe that channel. I say thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.